to Polish Mama Cooks. So today I want to show you another delicious recipe for barbecue salad. I've been to a few barbecues and I realized everyone loves pasta salad. However, not everyone can eat pasta. So I came up with a gluten-free version of a pasta salad. It's a quinoa vegetable salad. The idea is similar, so it's a filler and it's additional for a meat, but it's gluten-free. So it takes about 20 to 25 minutes to prepare. Basically, the only thing you have to do is wash, cut and chop the vegetables and of course cook the quinoa. So let's start. Start with cooking quinoa. For 1 cup of quinoa, use 1 3/4 of water. Cook for 12 to 15 minutes. While quinoa is cooking, peel, chop and dice all the vegetables. So paprikas in 3 colors, cucumbers, onion and some tomatoes. So my quinoa is already cooked. Very important, it has to be cold, it cannot be warm. After chopping all the vegetables, I'm going to put them in a bowl. So tomatoes, cucumbers, 3 paprikas, so orange, yellow and red, green onion and red onion. So now everything has to be mixed together. And now what I'm gonna do is add a tablespoon of olive oil, a half a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. If you don't have apple cider vinegar, red wine vinegar will work very nicely too. Salt and pepper. And mix it all. So what I'm gonna do is try it. Wow, it's just amazing. Crunch of the paprikas and the cucumbers with the soft tomato and a bit of spiciness from the onion. That is so refreshing. It's gonna go perfectly with some piece of meat from a grill. Thank you for being with me today. I hope you enjoyed that recipe. Please give me a thumbs up and leave me some comment for more Polish and sometimes not so Polish recipes. Please consider subscribing. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye!